If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your American Express account, follow these straightforward steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Review your statements. Check your recent American Express statements to identify all recurring charges. Look for any subscriptions or services that you no longer wish to continue. Step 2. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open a mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, find the Account Services or Manage Payments section. This area typically contains options for managing your subscriptions and recurring payments. Step 4. Identify recurring payments. In the Account Services section, look for a list of recurring payments or subscriptions. Review this list to find the specific charge you want to stop. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively stop any unwanted recurring charges on your American Express account. Always remember to monitor your statements regularly to avoid future charges.